How to apply to a job on Upwork. So right now I'm on my freelancer profile, and if you want to find a job, you have to go to this option that says find work. Just select it and it will take us to this page. So you will see the your jobs section. You will have best matches, most recent, saved jobs if you have highlighted any. So let's just go to the best matches tab right here, and let's do this job as an example. If we click on it, then we will see this option to apply now. We can also save the job if we would like to apply later, but let's click apply now. And this is what it's going to look like. So the description of this job is a translation of documents. Basically, you can see all of the terms here. You can see the client's budget, which is in this case $30 to $95 per hour, and your hourly rate, the rate that you have set for your profile. So if you want to change this, you can change it. So let's match the person's budget, so $30. If you want to do it for less, then that will probably land you a higher chance of getting the job. So you can also leave it as your rate. It will tell us that we have the freelancer service fee to pay, so it will deduct 10% and to show us the final earnings. So if you want a pay increase, you can select how often you would like a pay increase. It really depends on the job, but we can do never. And here is where we actually type the cover letter. So make sure you read the job description and that you apply using all the information that the client has applied in his description, so that they know that you're actually serious. If you want to attach any files, you can click on upload right here, and you can attach any files that would help you land this job. And if you want to boost your proposal, this is optional, but you can set a bid and you can become first place, second place, third place. As you can see right here, basically just boosts your place, how you appear in which spot to the client. So basically, after you have filled in this information, you can click on send for 16 connects, or however connects it may take. And basically the client will review your description, your application, and if they're interested in you, they will contact you requesting further information or send you an offer directly. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.